Hello everyone. So now I'm going to share my next assignment for the sales performance analysis. Okay. So this in this task, I need to analyze the sales performance analysis by using the Power BI tool. So here the requirement is given like what I need to do. I need to add a slicer for the year, country, region, and the product name. Like this, I need to add the given image. So I have this image. I will show you later on. I need to create a multi-row card based on the total sales, total production cost, total margin, percentage of the margin. Add a selected date ranges slicer based on this blue variety. So I need to add one date range slicer for like this. I need to create a cards like total sales, total unit price, total tax amount. Okay, total invoices and all. So we can create this, create a bar chart based on the total sales by subcategory like this. Then we create a total sales per month through clustered column chart. I can add this by using cluster column chart and create table format which is like the below format based on the country, region and the total sales amount and the production. And we can add create a line with clustered column chart. I need to add a line with the clustered column chart in the based on the daily sales versus average sales in the sales amount. So like this, my my chart will be like this. Create a total sales by country percentage through the pie chart or donut chart as per the below screenshot. Like this, I need to add this pie chart for that particular field, and then I need to add a next clustered column chart based on the product color with sales amount which is like the below format like this. Okay. Then the create a drill through function based on the below existed columns like the information on the below scenario, country or region, month, year or product color. All the below headers are below in the format, so here is given the format. Create a measures based on the production cost of sales of margin and the percentage of the margin through the DAX formulas. The entire report format should be like this. So our report will be like this. Is the one page, then the second page. Okay, so we understood the requirement. Let's move towards the Power BI file where you can able to see how I did this task. So this is the sales performance analysis. This is the image given by this client. I have added this image by using this insert. Go to the image and add the image. Okay. Then this is the slicer for the calendar year, the French occupation, state of provenance. Okay. We can add a filter on that particular thing and we can analyze the data. This is the margin percentage and the margin by sales amount. This is the line chart I have taken from here. So we can analyze the data like how much the margin profit and the margin for that too. For the sales amount, like this is the margin percentage and margin by sales amount. Okay. So how much the margin percentage and margins we are getting by particular sales amount. For 0K, we are getting this 62 percentage margins and 12,663 margin. Okay, so we can analyze this as like that only. So for this 3578 sales amount, we have a 39.32 percentage margin and the 21 thousand eight sorry 21 lakhs 82,219 margin. Okay, we can see this chart. This is the tree map I have added from this visualization pane. Here we are analyzing the sales amount by product subcategory key. So there are some subcategory product subcategories are given. So as per that keys, what is the sales amount for this keys too? There is the more number of the sales amount. Okay. Next is this. This is the matrix for the country, region code, total sales, margin, total invoices. Here I have to mention one thing. So in the data, there is no invoices are given. For that invoices, total invoices, I have added this field. So there is given one field, like just a minute, I will show you. This is the country region code, and there is one value like sales. This is the sales order. So this sales order I have used as a invoice. Like I have added this field here, and then I have uh, I have did this count filter on the count, and I have renamed this number because here in the sales order the order number is given, so we can say that bill number or receipt number. So we can say invoices to that particular data, and we can analyze this. Okay. Then the next is sales amount by month. So I have taken the axis as a month, and in the value the sales amount. So in which month how much the sales is having. So for the September, this is the 1896125 is the sales amount. Then for August, so we can see here for the May, it is more than all the months as compared to others. The May month is having more sales. Okay, we can say that. So moving towards the next report, we can see this chart: total sales and average of total sales by year and the month. So this is the line clustered column chart. I have added year and month in the axis. Then in the column values, I have added the total sales. In the line values, I have added the average of total sales. Okay, so we can move our cursor here, and we can see the 2006 July is having the average of total sales is 1977.73. Here this will gives you the total sales for this particular month. Okay, the more average value is for this 2005 July, and these for the 2007 October, the more is the total sales value. Okay, and then sales amount by country region code. So here I have added a legend as a country region code. So in the value sales amount and the legend country region code. Okay. So as per the country region code, we can analyze the sales amount, how much percentage is having for that particular country region. Okay. So this is about whole total US. We can see this for AU the sales amount is this. Then this is for the GB. This is for DE. This is for FR for the California. So we can analyze the sales amount by particular country from this chart. The next is the like as per our requirement, I need to create one. See, I will show you this clustered column chart based on the product color with sales amount, which is like in the is zero format. Okay. So I have added the clustered column chart here from this visualization pane. We can see here, and then I have added the axis as year and month. In the legend I have added the color. In the values I have added the sales amount. Okay, so for this January, for the black color is black, month is January, sales amount is this. So we can right click, and as per our requirement I need to add one drill through. For that I have created this page detailed information. So here I have added the country, region code, order date, and the color. Okay. So as per color, we can analyze, we can drill through our report. So by clicking on this reports one bar, we can see here is the option for this drill through. So we can go on that particular page, and we can see the black color is here for that particular bar. So we can say let's see this. So This is for which color? Let's see first. This is for the red color. Okay, and the April month. So we have to drill through this. Then we can see the detailed information. So for the red color, we can see the country code and the order date. Okay, for that particular red color. So it will give us a detailed information. So drill through. How to add the drill through? I will show you. I need to add a drill through on this chart by sales amount. Okay. So I need to create one drill through chart, like one visual for that, and then on this page I have to add the sales amount here. Okay, the sales amount here, and then I need to give the action. Okay, then I need to give the action for that particular drill through, so that I can see drill through from this chart by right clicking here, go to drill through, and then that detailed information. Okay, so this is all about this report. Thank you so much for watching this. Okay.